Hello, here's my video. Okay, so I dissected the eye. So looking at it, here's the anterior, here's the posterior from the back of the eye. Can't really see it, but it's in there. This is the optic nerve, this little part, and then it's just covered. And then looking at the front part, this is the cornea right here, and then the outer part, sclera. And then if we go on the inside from the anterior part, I already pulled it out, but here's the vitreous humor. That gives the eye its shape. And then I also pulled the lens out. It's right here. And then when we look in, you can see the pupil, this middle part, that's the center of the eye, and then around it is the iris. And then going to the back part, right here, this is the retina, this thin layer, and then the shiny reflective part, that's the tapetum lucidum. That's humans don't have that, but animals, they do. Certain animals, they do. That's how they get night vision. So the light shines on this shiny part, and then it goes back onto the retina. Yeah, that's my video. Thanks. Bye.